Assalamu-alaikum. Dear friends, today in this video I am going to tell you that how to install Windows 11 on Windows 7. For that you must have 64-bit operating system, minimum processor and 3 GB RAM is to run a good and smooth PC, and you must have 1 GHz. So in my case I have 2.30 GHz and AMD Phenom quad-core processor, no graphic card and 3 GB RAM. So in this video I'm going to tell you that how to install Windows 11 on Windows 7. Friends, I want to tell you that I have not installed Windows 11 first time on this PC. I care too much about your and my privacy. So first I installed it on my virtual box, and then I installed it on my hardware, which is Windows 7. Friends, in this video I'm not going to use media creation tool, but in the end, but from starting we will use the ISO file using the UPP dump. This is a website which gives you Windows all editions ISO files. Friends, if you have a non-activated computer, you, for example, the Windows says that copy of genuine Windows is not genuine, build 7601. I've also faced these issues, but if you want to face these, if you have faced these issues, then go to my description box. I have made a complete video on how to fix this error. But if you want to skip the bypass, because if your computer is not activated, they will give you the product key, option of product key, but they won't give you skip product key. So for that, go to my description box again and download the other file. Then cut it from the downloads folder and go to the sources folder which you have extracted by the ISO file, and then go to sources folder and then paste it over anywhere. So when you have pasted there, just run the setup and you won't face the issue of skipping the bypass and the product key. You won't need to fill the product key. So we'll start the process. Let's enter the setup. So they will ask you some terms and policy, but which you have to enter by your comfort. Just turn off the locations, and this process will take nearly 1 hour. So don't skip the video because it's the end. So friends, window is not a big problem, but if you have an experience, I have installed Windows 10 and Windows 7 on my PC 2 times. Friends, just don't turn off your PC while you are installing the Windows. So friends, you can see now Windows 11 has been successfully installed on your PC, alhamdulillah. So hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. ALLAHAFIZ.